Hi, my name is Kenzie Donovan, and this is my narrated slideshow. I chose to research the whale shark, the scientific name being Rhincodon typus. Whale sharks are home to many places. They are circumglobal. They travel the seas to tropical and warm temperate seas. They weigh 8 to 10 tons and are 18 to 20 meters in length. They are filter feeders and they are very human-friendly creatures. Whale sharks are endangered for many reasons. Overhunting and overfishing, along with habitat destruction, are two of the main reasons. Overhunting and fishing is a tragedy of the commons where we use our resources for self-interest and we eventually put a strain on the environment and the species itself. Whale sharks are also target fished, which means big fisheries. They go and capture these fishes because the Asian market has a high demand for shark fins and oils, and their shark's meat is also seen as exotic and brings in a large profit. The fishers will unethically capture whale sharks and cut off their fins, leaving them to die of blood loss or suffocation in the water. Whale sharks are also bycaught, which these fishers cast these big nets and tangle up the sharks, eventually killing them. And they also destroy coral reefs, which brings us to habitat destruction. Pollution is a major reason for these habitat destructions because whale sharks do live in oceans and seas. Coming with the Industrial Revolution, a lot of waste and oils have polluted our water sources, and there has been a loss of marine biodiversity, which has decreased the whale shark's pool of prey, which negatively decreased their diet. The pollution has also changed the pH in the water, harming the coral reefs, and evidence has shown that the population of whale sharks has positively correlated with the population of coral reefs. I see the whale shark's threats as very typical. They are anthropogenic. They are very human caused. They follow a large pattern of human activities that harm our environment and kill off wonderful creatures. Now, whale sharks do live in small populations. They do have a slow reproductive rate and have little offspring. And they are very large creatures, which they all add up and makes them even more susceptible to endangerment and extinction. However, a lot is being done to save these species. Many countries have developed national conservation measures, such as Australia, Belize, India, the Maldives, the United States, Mexico, and many more. The whale shark was also classified by the International Union for Conservation of Nature as vulnerable in the red list of threatened animals, which at least they are recognized as endangered. Along with that, Appendix 2 of the Convention of Migratory Species of Wild Animals, also known as CMS, provides a forum for development of more direct conservation. A memorandum of migratory sharks, including whale sharks, provides a viable route to develop international conservation actions. Obviously, stricter poaching laws will also decrease the death of whale sharks. And ecotourism is also a major thing that helps conserve these species because it gets people out into the wild to see them up close and to learn about them and to learn how to protect these creatures. Thank you, and these are my references.